So, how thick does a builder gel overlay have to be? It depends on the purpose of the overlay, whether you're just trying to add some support and structure to the nail, or whether you're almost trying to give an extension-like strength to natural nails in a very structured overlay. Let's look at Penny's nails where we did the 2 coats of builder gel. Thank you, Penny. So looking at them, it looks like a gel polish manicure at this point. So this just has a base coat and 2 painted on colours. We could still add 2 more coats of coloured gel polish and a top coat, which would add a tiny amount of thickness. But overall, there's little to no structure per se. There is no bulk on the side walls. There is no visible apex. There is no bulk or thickness at the free edge. It's a very thin, very natural looking and wearable service. The strength from this manicure comes from the product that we've applied, which is a builder in the bottle, not so much from the thickness of it. So on Kelly's nails, we've done the structured overlay, which you can see is a lot more substantial and will be a much stronger manicure. There is a soft natural apex, so a curve, the highest point being in this back third of the nail on all of the nails. The apex is appropriate to the length of the nail. If these were extensions or much longer natural nails, the apex would be higher. But in terms of being appropriate to this length of nail, that's an appropriately high apex, and that curve and that thickness is going to be adding enough strength for us. And if we can try and get a barrel view, they still do not appear bulky. The thickness of the nail is in the center third, so down the middle, like the mohawk of the nail. Having product in that center third will give it the most strength, and having an apex will also give it the most strength. But it still doesn't appear bulky. It's beautiful and tapered to the free edge, the sidewalls and the cuticle area. So a strong structured builder gel manicure, it should never look bulky or thick. It should always be beautiful and tapered to the perimeter and have the thickness where it counts, which is in the center third or in the back third for the apex.
If you really want sort of a measurement for the free edge, like on my simple overlay, there isn't one, it's just gel polish, but on Kelly's it would be more like aiming for something like a business card thickness. So it's still really thin, no more than a credit card, like definitely just still quite thin. Credit card if the gel polish is over the top as well. Yeah.
Gel polish, art, or very long natural nails. And I must say, I have some really long natural nail clients thanks to builder gel. So they really, honestly, they can get this long. So to where the surface of my index finger is. I have clients with nails that long, in which case you are looking for a credit card thickness, and the apex would be very much a curved apex from the cuticle area.